Hello everyone, this is Hers and you are watching WPF World. In this chapter we will learn about collection, what is collection, types of collection with example. So without wasting time, let's get started. What is collection? Collection is nothing but groups of objects. Collections provide a more flexible way to work with groups of objects. Unlike arrays, the group of objects you work with can grow and shrink dynamically as the needs of the application change. For some collection, you can assign a key to any object that you put into the collection so that you can quickly retrieve the object by using the key. Collection types are designed to store, manage, and manipulate similar data more efficiently. Data manipulation includes adding, removing, finding, and inserting data in the collection. For many applications, you want to create and manage group of related objects. There are two ways to group the object, by creating arrays of objects and by creating collection of objects. There are three types of collection: non-generic collection, generic collection, and concurrent collection. What is non-generic collection? In C#, non-generic collection is defined in system.collections namespace. It is general purpose data structure that works on object references. So it can handle any type of object but not in safe manner. Non-generic collections are defined by the set of interfaces and classes. Some of frequently used classes of the system.collections namespace are ArrayList, HashTable, Queue, Stack. What is ArrayList? It is dynamic. Arrays means the size of array is not fixed. It can be increased and decreased at runtime. What is use of hash table? It represents a collection of key and value pairs that are organized based on the hash code of the key. What is use of queue? It represents a first in first out collection of objects. It is used when you need a first in first out access of items. What is use of stack collection? It is linear data structure. It follows last in first out pattern for input and output. What is generic collection? Generic collection in C# is defined in system.collection.generic namespace. It provides a generic implementation of standard data structure like linked list, stacks, queue, and dictionaries. These collections are type safe because they are generic, means only those items that are type compatible with the type of collection can be stored in generic collection. It eliminates accidental type mismatch. The generic collection available in C# are dictionaries, list, queue, sorted list, stack, hash set, linked list. What is use of dictionary generic collection? It stores key value pair and provides functionality similar to that found in the non-generic hash table class. What is use of list generic collection? It is a dynamic array that provides functionality similar to that found in the non-generic array list. What is queue generic collection? First in first out list and provide functionality similar to that found in the non-generic queue class. What is use of sorted list? It is a sorted list of key value pair and provide functionality similar to that found in non-generic sorted list class. What is use of hash set generic collection? It is an unordered collection of unique element. It prevents duplicate from being inserted in the collection. What is use of linked list generic collection? It allows fast inserting and removing of element. It implements a classic linked list. What is concurrent collection? In C#, concurrent collection defined in system.collections.concurrent namespace. It came in .NET Framework version 4 and onward. It provides various thread safe collection classes that are used in place of corresponding type in system.collections and system.collections.generic namespace. When multiple threads are accessing the collection simultaneously, the classes present in concurrent collections are blocking collection, concurrent bag, concurrent dictionary, concurrent queue, concurrent stack. Now we will see how to create the collection. First, let's create a array list collection. Array list. And for that, we have to add the namespace called system.collections. Okay. Array list equal to new array list. How to insert the item in this array list object? Array list class have the add method so that we can add the value to this array list like this. We can also remove this item from array list. How to remove the item from array list? For that, class have remove method. And here we have to pass the object. Like 12 I will pass, then it will delete the 12 from this array list. I will display all the value of this array list using for each loop. Console.writeLine and then item. Okay. This is before, after addition, after insertion, after removal. Okay. I will comment this. Let's run and see. See, after insertion we have 12 and after removal we have nothing. Now I will add one more here. Let's say 120. Now let's run and see. See, 12 remove and 120 is there in array list, right? And array list have one method called remove at. Here we have to specify the index. I want to delete 120 means I have to provide 1 here. Let's run and see. See, 120 removed from here. Only 12 is there, right? Like this, we can create a collection and we can add the item to that collection and remove the value from the collection. Now we will see how to create the generic collection. For that, I will take an example of list. And here we have to provide type. Which type we want to create the object. I will create string type of list collection. Okay. I will say new list. For this, as you know, the generic collection present in system.generics.collections, right? System.collection.generics. So we have to add the namespace. I have added this. Now I will use same thing here. But here I will say list after insertion. List after removal. I will replace this thing. Now as it is string, see it is giving the compile time error. So we can't provide any other value than string. But if we want to add string here in array list, we can do that. See, there is no error, right? Now I will add the string value here. Okay. And as we used 1, so it will remove B from this list. Okay, so we have to use this here. Where is that? This one. And here also. Let's run and see. See, list after insertion AB, and then we have removed value from first index. That's why it's remove B. As you know, the index start from 0. So 0 and 1. So 1 we removed. That's why B is not available after removal. This is how we can create the collection object and we can add the item to that collection and we can remove the item from the collection. That's all for this video. If you found this video helpful, let's share with your friends.